Top law firms in USA. Every law student dreams of working with one of the top law firms in the world, although only a select few of aspiring law professionals reach the highest of highs. The opportunity is there to chase for anyone who is willing to work hard and put in an honest effort to make their dreams become a reality. The first step in becoming a lawyer with one of the top law firms in the world is understanding which ones contain the title and are held with the utmost respect within the community. By learning more about the law firms that are considered to be at the top, you can begin to form a short list of law firms to chase after and start your journey of reaching your goals. We hope to make the process of finding the top law firms easy for you, providing with you several firms that may believe to do a great job and are a good opportunities to work for. An overview of the top law firms. In the process of determining which respected law firms made our list, we use certain criteria to separate the elite from the rest. Today, the first one is Cravat, Swain and Moore LLP. Cravat, Swain and Moore LLP is one of the oldest law firms in the United States and they have been around for more than 2 centuries. They cover a lot of practices including capital market, banking and credit, corporate governance, tax, executive compensation and benefits, and trust and estates. They work internationally. The most obvious benefit of working for Crawford Swine and Moore LLP is the highest base salary. Even first year lawyers with the firm make a basic salary of $1,50,000 and the pay increases well beyond $3 lakh. Within 10 years, employees also get to work on the high stakes cases and test their ability on toughest of cases. There are a few drawbacks to working at the Kravitz Swine and Moore LLP, although there are some things worth noting. Lawyers who currently work and previously worked at this firm reportedly having to work long hours on tough cases. Additionally, some may not enjoy the pressure that comes along with the high-profile cases. Gilligan and Ellis LLP is one of the most prestigious firms in the United States. It is located in Chicago. They are known for their success with litigation, intellectual property, corporate cases, private equity, and restructuring. Along with other less notable practices, they have approximately 200 2,500 lawyers currently unemployed, all of which are highly qualified with six-figure or more compensation. Credit Line and Alice LLP is well known for promoting a healthy work environment in which their employees are happy. They also allow for the lawyers to practice freely and without constant criticism, offering more than generous above market bonuses when they are successful with one of their clients. Like any top law firm, however, the job is demanding at times, and lawyers with Credit Line and Alice LLP are under increased to win their cases. Sydney Austin LLP is known for employing some of the most prestigious and well-known lawyers in the world, including former President Obama and First Lady Michelle Obama. They work with some incredibly large and successful corporations and organizations spanning across many different industries, including banking, energy, healthcare, insurance, life sciences, and technology. If your goal is to become the best lawyer possible, then Sidley Austin LLP is the place to be. You will work on some high profile cases and alongside encouraging partners who take pride in helping each lawyer within the firm grow in the profession. Skate, Arp, Slate, Megger, and Flom LLP is the first ever law firm to report $1 billion in annual revenue. Subsequently, they are also one of the largest firms in the world, employing more than 1,700 lawyers all across the globe. They are most famous for their dealing with M&A clients, but they cover many different practices.